Today we're showing you a 2017 John Deere 5085E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor has just under 500 hours on it. Has the John Deere H260 quick attach front loader. Very nice clean tractor. Has 85 horsepower, 4-cylinder John Deere diesel engine with a turbo. Has the H260 quick attach front loader again to go with it. Has a global style hookup here for your bucket connection. Heavy duty front bucket on it. It's got the well-on hooks up top. Very nice clean tractor. With the corner post exhaust, it does have the two doors in the cab, which is a nice feature. Telescopic 3-point arms, has the dual remotes back here, 540 and 540E PTO. Got a little bit of damage here in the fender, and then also on the fender up here. Looks like somebody had repaired that. It was done before we got it, so that is already been repaired. Has the buddy seat here, air ride seat for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left hand power reversal allows you to change direction without clutching. Foot throttle down below. Has a 12-speed transmission, 3 ranges, and 4 gears. Loader control, hydraulics, PTO, hand throttle all to the right there. Up top you have the radio, climate controls over here, rearview mirror, and sun visor. 540, 540E selector back here. Very clean tractor. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, please contact us.